Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Liberty University online step by step clearly. To begin your registration for Liberty University online, visit the official Liberty University website. On the home page, locate the Admissions tab. Hover over it to reveal a drop-down menu. Click on Undergraduate or Graduate Admissions, depending on your program of interest. Next, find and select the Apply Now button. You will be directed to the application portal. Create an account by providing your email address and setting a password. Once registered, log in to your newly created account. Fill out the online application form with your personal information. Make sure to provide accurate details, including your address, phone number, and date of birth. Next, indicate your program of interest from the available options. If you have attended any previous colleges or universities, list them in the designated section. Upload any required documents, such as high school transcripts or transcripts from previous college coursework. Review the application for any missing information or errors. Once confirmed, submit your application by clicking the Submit button. After submission, check your email for a confirmation message from Liberty University. Follow any additional instructions provided in the email regarding next steps. You may need to complete financial aid forms if you plan to apply for assistance. Log back into your account after a few days to check the status of your application. Once accepted, you will receive further instructions on enrollment and course registration. Finally, prepare for your online classes by accessing the student portal and setting up your course materials. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.